Welcome back to Autosphere. You think you've driven big trucks before, but nothing prepares you for this. Imagine sitting behind the wheel of a 40-year-old fire engine that weighs more than 2 Teslas combined. No power steering, no fancy tech, just raw steel and diesel growl. The moment you touch that clutch, you realize this isn't just driving. It's wrestling a beast built to save lives. Today we're taking the legendary 1982 Hahn Pumper Truck for a spin. And trust me, this thing redefines what heavy duty really means. So, can an old fire truck still surprise a modern driver? The 1982 Hahn Pumper Truck isn't your average ride. It's a time capsule on wheels. Built in an era when toughness mattered more than touchscreens, this fire engine came from a company known for pure dependability and raw strength. Hahn Motors made trucks that didn't just perform, they endured. They were built to handle chaos, tight city corners, burning streets and brutal conditions. Fast forward 40 years, and we live in a world of quiet, comfortable SUVs that brag about off-road modes and safety assists. But here's the thing. This old machine didn't just face off-road trails. It faced fires. It hauled water, gear, and hope when seconds mattered. That's not marketing. That's purpose. So when you climb inside, it's not nostalgia. It's intimidation. The 1982 Hahn Pumper reminds you what heavy-duty engineering used to mean. No drive modes, no screens, no help. Just man, machine, and muscle. The door shuts with a heavy metallic thud. No soft close here. You sit up high, staring over a massive red hood that seems endless. The steering wheel, nearly the size of a pizza pan. One look and you know, this thing demands respect. Turn the key and it comes alive with a deep diesel roar that shakes your chest. Modern trucks whisper to life. This one shouts it. Every vibration, every puff of smoke feels like the heartbeat of an era that refused to quit. The clutch pedal feels like pushing against concrete. First gear grinds into place with a satisfying clunk, and when it starts rolling, it's not fast. But it's unstoppable. You feel the weight, the history, the craftsmanship, and despite the effort, there's something magical about it. You're not just driving. You're commanding a piece of history. The air brakes hiss, the diesel hum fills the cab, and heads turn everywhere you go. For once, you're not in something designed to blend in. You're piloting a red giant that owns the road just by existing. Outside, it still wears that proud fire engine red. The chrome grille and round headlights stand bold, a face from another time. Every bolt, every scratch tells a story. The side ladders, the hose reels, the dials, all built for function, not flair. Inside, forget luxury. It's pure metal gauges and switches that look stolen from a submarine. No plush seats, no AC, no soundproofing, just the echoes of an honest machine. And that's exactly what makes it beautiful. Driving it reminds you of what we've lost in modern cars: connection. Today we have drive-by-wire steering and digital feedback. In this, it's all real. You feel everything. Every vibration, every ounce of torque, every heartbeat of the engine connects you to the road. But here's where it gets humbling. This isn't easy. Every turn is a workout. Every gear demands focus. The steering fights you back. The brakes? You plan stops a block ahead. This truck doesn't care about comfort, it demands commitment, and yet that's what makes it thrilling. When you finally master it, when your movements sync with its rhythm, something clicks. Suddenly the noise becomes music. The weight becomes confidence. And that massive machine becomes an extension of you. It's not transportation, it's time travel. Now imagine this. A clear road ahead. No traffic, just you and the open throttle. You press harder. The diesel bellows echoing off the buildings. The mirrors shake. The world behind you blurs. The truck surges forward, slow but powerful, unstoppable. And for a few seconds you forget it's 40 years old. It feels alive and like it's daring you to push harder. The sound, the smell, the vibration, everything comes together in this raw mechanical symphony. But make no mistake, it's not forgiving. You take a turn wrong, it'll remind you. You shift too soon, it'll bite back. It's not a machine you control, it's a machine you earn. And when you finally do, that satisfaction is unlike anything a modern truck could give you. Halfway through, I find myself laughing, not because it's easy, but because it's so brutally honest. No traction control, no computers, no filters, just raw cause and effect. You move wrong, it reacts wrong. You get it right, it rewards you instantly. This truck is the definition of authentic, power without polish, control without comfort. It's an unfiltered driving experience you simply can't buy today. When I pull back into the lot, my arms are sore, my legs are tired, and my heart's still racing. It's exhausting, yes, but it's also exhilarating. It's the kind of drive that makes you feel alive. And here's the thing. After driving this, every modern truck feels too easy, too quiet, too soft. The 1982 Hahn Pumper Truck proves something. Driving used to be physical, emotional, and deeply human. You didn't just steer, you fought, learned, and connected. So what's the takeaway? This fire truck isn't practical. It's not comfortable, but it's unforgettable. If you're someone who loves cars that talk back, this is your dream. For collectors and enthusiasts, it's a living reminder of how pure driving used to be. For everyday drivers, it's proof that comfort sometimes kills character. In today's U.S. market, where hybrids and EVs dominate, this old monster stands as a monument to mechanical soul. Sure, technology made driving safer and cleaner, but it also made it quieter, easier, predictable, and maybe, just maybe, a little boring. Driving this truck makes you appreciate how far we've come but also what we've left behind. That smell of diesel, the rumble under your seat, the heavy steering. It's messy, it's imperfect, but it's real. So, the final verdict? The 1982 Hahn Pumper Truck isn't for comfort seekers. It's for purists, the ones who crave the thrill of control and the satisfaction of mastery. It's not about convenience. It's about connection. If you ever get the chance to drive one, do it. Because once you do, every quiet, effortless drive after this will feel like you're missing something. This old fire truck doesn't just move. It teaches. It reminds you what driving used to mean. And honestly, it's a lesson we could all use again. Thanks for watching Autosphere, where we drive the stories most people forget. Drop your thoughts below. Would you dare to drive something like this? And if you loved this ride through time, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because next week we're firing up another legend.